Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Please remember that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're diving into TripHobo, found at https://www.triphobo.com, a powerful tool for crafting personalized travel itineraries. TripHobo offers a unique approach to travel planning, allowing users to build custom trips from scratch or draw inspiration from pre-designed itineraries shared by other travelers. This platform provides a wealth of information, including popular attractions, recommended restaurants, and even suggested accommodation options. It's a one-stop shop for organizing your entire journey, helping you seamlessly manage every aspect, from flights and hotels to daily activities and sightseeing. You can fine-tune every detail to your liking, ensuring your itinerary perfectly matches your travel style and preferences. What sets TripHobo apart is its collaborative features. You can share your planned itineraries with friends and family, inviting them to contribute and offer suggestions. This collaborative aspect makes group travel planning significantly easier, ensuring everyone is on the same page and excited about the upcoming adventure. TripHobo also offers helpful tools for budgeting and estimating trip costs. By inputting your expected expenses, you can get a realistic overview of your potential spending, enabling you to manage your finances effectively throughout your trip. Whether you're a meticulous planner or prefer a more spontaneous approach, TripHobo provides the flexibility you need to create the perfect travel experience. The platform's user-friendly interface makes navigating and customizing your itinerary a breeze, even for those less tech-savvy. With its comprehensive features and intuitive design, TripHobo empowers you to take control of your travel plans and embark on unforgettable journeys. It truly streamlines the often overwhelming process of trip planning, letting you focus on the excitement of exploring new destinations.